Hello everyone, good afternoon. Everyone, is my screen and my voice clear? Yes. Check your names that they are mentioned. Okay, Akshay. Yes. So I hope you have kept all the materials ready, everyone. Yes, so we need both oil pastels and watercolors. Okay. Okay, Ayan. Yes, we need watercolors and oil pastel. Keep a painting brush with you, number 6 or number 8. Some cotton. Have you kept sellotape, everyone? Yes, Devna, it's mixed media. Yes. Any circle? Yes. Big side sellotape will be perfect. Okay. Or you can take a container or a dish. Yes. So everyone, as Independence Day is coming up on Sunday, 15th August, we are going to make artwork on Independence Day today. Okay. So as you can see, everyone, we are going to show two hands, okay, representing two colors of flag, okay, orange and green, okay, and exactly in the middle part, we'll be showing Ashok Chakra, okay. The sellotape we are going to use for drawing this circle, okay. So as we are using watercolors, keep permanent marker with you. Yes, Devna. Neeraja, check the gallery view and pin my video, okay. Yes, come on everyone, get ready with your book and pencil first. Let's start with the pencil drawing. Yes. Okay, Zara, you can use that. Okay, let's start everyone. So first step, we will start from top. It's okay, Ayan. We'll start from top, okay? Top hand. So everyone, we will start with this part first. Observe. You can use your hand for your reference. See how the shape is going to be. Okay. Yes, we will start with this line first. Slanting line. Top side of the page. Draw it big. Okay. Yes. Let's see. From top, I'm keeping 4 finger distance gap like this. Okay. From top, 4 finger distance. Adding a reference dot. I'm using book which is a little bit big than A4. Okay. Or else you can keep 6 centimeters from top and add this reference dot. Come on, everyone. 6 centimeter from top, left side, holding your book vertical, 0 to 6. Okay, added it. Okay, okay, Devna. Now from this dot, we will start adding a slanting line going down like this, slanting line. Try drawing it freehand. How much long it should be? It should be at least 5.5. Okay, even 6 you can take. Slanting line from the reference dot. Yes, okay, Devna. Started everyone. Come on. First, what we did from left side, 6 centimeter space, dot, then 5.5 centimeter line. Okay. See the line it's slanting. Okay, perfect. Now observe. Now from this end, Okay, where the line ends. From here, we will start a curved line like this, semicircular curve, big size everyone. Observe it first. See, starting from this dot, line going up, semicircle, and then go down like this. Yes, Akshat. Come on, everyone. Check that it's not touching the right side of your page. Okay. Come on, you can start. How much long it should be? See, mine is 16 centimeter. Okay. If you have made 15, no problem. Yes, just complete this much part and show me. I'm waiting. It's a slight curve, everyone. Yes, Kaushal, correct. Adrija, correct. Yes, good, Lakshita. Got it, everyone? Any doubt in these two lines? Correct, Devna. Devna, slightly check this line. Make it a little bit up. Okay, Neeraja, Danya. Yes, Anushka. Yes, Zara, correct. Anushka, correct. Yes, everyone, see, once again, I'm showing 4-finger distance gap, reference dot. Those who have joined just now, observe here. Slanting line, 5.5 centimeter long. Okay, then make a semicircular curve like this. Okay, next step, what you have to do? Where the line ends, make a curve in this manner, opposite C. Come on, Urvi. Come on, let's make this shape now, opposite C. Yes, Devna, now it's okay. Yes, make a C shape. Come on, Aradhya, Saurish, Priya, Lakshita. Okay, opposite C. Now we have to extend this line in this manner. It's a slight curve line. Okay. Go right to left. Come on, everyone. Let's see this line again. Okay, first we have made opposite C. Now we have to extend this line right to left. Come on, Ayansh, Kaushal. See, everyone, you have to see that it's a little bit short than the first line. Okay, till the middle part of this line, you have to make. Everyone's size is different. Yes, make this line. What we did first, slanting line 5.5. Then from here, slight curve line, make it big, at least 15 to 16 centimeter long. Okay, you have to see that it's not touching right side. Then make opposite C on this part and extend the line going inside, right to left. Yes, Adrija, Danya, correct. Kaushal, Sorish, correct. Perfect. Sorry, slightly extend this line more, right to left. Good, Kavya. Well done. So this is going to be this part, everyone, of the hand, 4-finger part. Okay. Now we have to make thumb. You can see its shape. It's like a U. Observe the part first and then start adding it. Okay. See here where the line ends. Make a U shape like this. U shape. Come on, Anika, Nirja. Yes, Arya, great. Perfect. Make a U shape. Yes, Zara, Kaushal, correct. See here, everyone. U shape like this. Now you have to make a wavy line and join it on left side. See like this. Start from here, wavy line and go up. Come on, Laksha. Adrija. Yes, Adrija, see this line? This line is going to be just like a S. Make it curve and then go up. See everyone, this part, make it more curve. Come on, Shlok. Yes. Complete the first hand, everyone, and show me. Good, Neeraja. Great. Yes, Sanvi. Paris, come on. Everyone complete and show me. I'm waiting. Correct, Shlok. Kaushal, nice. Saurish, correct. Very nice, Akshar. Devna, correct. Come on, Myra. Urvi. Arav. Yes, Shrestha. Shrestha, slightly make this curve little small. We don't want a semicircular curve. Make a slight curve. Yes. Arav, correct. Danya, correct. See this part, this line. See, once you have added the thumb part, okay, like a U shape. See the line, it's like a S. See, in this way. Now go down and then up like this. Got it, Adrija? Anushka, correct? Anything else you're not getting? Anyone? Ayan, Aradhya, Kia. Yes. Adrija, check this line is going up. Yes. Okay. Yes, Urvi. Ira, correct. Urvi, correct. Yes. Perfect. Then Laksha. Yes. Siri, Lakshita. Okay. Good. Now everyone, you have to take your circle. First hand is completed. Take your circle now. Adrija, correct? Yes. So now we have to place it exactly in the middle. So place it like this, everyone. Middle. Come on, Ayansh. Okay. It should not touch the hand. Okay. At least 1 or 2 finger distance gap you have to keep. Okay. Now let's add circle, everyone. I'm using the outer circle for this. Hold it tight. Place it exactly in the center. Come on, everyone. Come on, Siona, Advita, Vihana, doing it. Yes, correct. It should not touch the hand. Yes. Yes, Anushka. Very good, everyone. Now the lines which are there inside it, we will add it afterwards. Okay. Once the down hand is completed, we will start adding lines inside it. Okay. Now see the next hand. Same step we have to follow, just the direction is changed. Okay. Come on, let's do it now. Let's see the first step. Done with the circle, everyone. Okay. See here, first step what we did, we have added reference dot and a slanting line from it. Same step now we have to do. Observe. See, from this circle, we have to go little down and then on right side. We want same distance here. Check the space. Same space we have to leave down. You can use scale for this. We want it equal. See how much space is here. I have 1.5 centimeter gap. Same gap I'm going to take here also. And then go on right side. Okay. Come on, check your space. Check this gap. Take same gap down also. This is just for our reference. Okay. We are going to erase this line later. Just add it. Come on, Devna, Anika. Yes, okay, it's 1 centimeter. Take same down also. You might be having 2 centimeter. Take 2. I have 1.5. Okay. We just want this reference dot first, everyone. Okay. Now see, once you have got the dot, you can erase this part. Yes, okay, Akshat. See everyone, from the reference dot, we need to add a line going up. If you are taken 5 centimeter here, take same for this line also. See, my line is 5.5. Same measurement I have taken here also, 5.5. Same 5.5 down part. See, 5.5 line. Check your line, how much it is. Add it in the same way. Take your time. Yes, okay, Devna. Got the line, everyone? Same measurement, slanting line going upwards, right to left. Yes, now see here, next step. Now we'll complete the thumb part first. See, observe the line. Observe first. Line going down, everyone. Make little curve here. Like this, thumb is going to be. Just make this line first. Come on, everyone, slightly curve. Yes, Adrija. Come on, Danya. Yes, correct, Devna. It should go forward from the center. Okay. Very good, Zara. Correct. Correct, Sorish. I will repeat this hand once this is completed. Okay. Now, next step, what we have added? We have added alphabet C. Come on, let's add this curve now. Just like a U shape. Observe. Make a U shape, everyone. This is going to be the thumb part. Similarly, like this. Yes, Myra, come on, Lakshya. Got it, Anika? Yes, correct, Devna. Good. Now see the next step. From here, we have to start with a line going up like this. This line we are adding over here. Make it long. Check that it's not touching on the left side of your page. Yes, Shlok. Come on, CD. Good. Shanvi, continue. Okay. Don't touch it. Yes. Devna, correct. Devna, no problem if the hand touches down part. Okay. No problem. Doing it, everyone. Now make a C on this part. Like we have added here. Same. Keep doing, everyone. Almost done. You're doing great. Yes. Now see here. Now we have to make a semicircular curve that we have added here. Okay, Kaushal, no problem. See everyone, big semicircular curve. Now we have to add it here on this part. If you want, you can rotate your book. Okay. It will be easy to add curve. Make a big curve, everyone. And then slanting line, join it on side. Yes, come on, continue. Yes, Adrija, come on, Tanvi. Good, Anika. Devna. Yes, Myra, correct. Nice, Kaushal. Good, Mahit, correct. See here, everyone. I'm just quickly repeating the part. Second hand. Those are completed can show me. Yes. Okay, Devna, Neeraja, Dania, correct. Same gap here also. Go on right side. Reference dot. Slanting line. Same measurement as of here. Okay. 5.5 or 5. Then make a curve line in this way. Thumb part, U shape. Okay. Then curve line going upwards like this. Make a C at the end. Okay. Now big line. This one. Follow same step here. Like this. Again slanting line. Join it on right side of the page. In this way. Okay. You have to just see that, everyone. This part should be little curve. Okay. Not pointed. Got it, Vihana? Ira? Anushka, correct? Arya? Any doubt, anyone? Yes, Tanvi. Good. Lakshita, Paridhi, Zayan. Yes. Okay, everyone. Good. Now we will start adding the lines in the Ashok Chakra. Okay. So everyone, there are 24 lines inside it. So you can use your scale for adding the lines. Come on, take your scale. So you know everyone, in this there are 24 lines because it shows the 24 hours of the day. That's why there are 24 lines inside it. Try to make 24 lines or else you can add less also. No problem, but they should be clearly visible. Okay. So everyone, see how I'm adding. First, I'm adding center line to it. Standing line. See here. Standing line. Now exactly in the center, sleeping line. Check that the lines are not touching. Okay. Yes, Ira. Yes, Ira, just extend this part a little bit more. Okay, come on everyone, continue with the lines. Let's divide these parts now. Youth scale, everyone. Yes, correct, Devna. Now see, between these two lines, you can add more two lines like this. Youth scale. Continue. Show me once done. Come on, Arav. Check that equal gap is there. They are not touching. In some part, you can add 3 lines also. Come on, everyone. Very good, Lakshita. Zara, correct? See here, everyone. Divide it in half first. Okay. Then add a standing line. Again, divide it in half. Okay. Like this. Now divide this part. Now see between these two lines, add 2 lines again for every part. Like this. Come on, everyone. Complete and show. You have to use scale, okay? Yes, slow. Good. Kaushal, Neeraja, perfect. Just check that any lines, if they are overlapping, just make it clear. Nice, Anushka. Advita, come on. Correct, Anushka. Everyone show me once done. Yes, Saurish, correct. Correct, Devna. Everyone, we are done with the drawing part. Good, Arav. Nice, Dania. Great. Nice, Akshat. Any doubt in the drawing part, anyone? So we can start with the tracing. Can we start with the tracing, everyone? Take your permanent marker. Which part, Shanvi? Yes, you can start, Devna. So everyone, first I'm placing newspaper as we are using permanent marker. Okay, place it, everyone, and trace all your pencil lines. Good, CD. Yes, Vihana. Good. You can use your CD marker, no problem. But permanent marker, everyone, because in the background we will be using paint. Okay. Yes. Come on, Anika. Which part, Shanvi? Okay. Yes. Use your permanent marker, everyone. See, Shanvi. First, we have divided it in half like a plus sign. Okay. Then you have to use line like a cross, like a X, like this. Okay. First plus sign, then X. Now between these parts, you have to just add two lines like this. Okay. In every part, you have to add two lines like that. You have to complete. Okay. Got it? Yes, Ira, we are going to use oil pastels as well as watercolors. Yes. Yes, Devna. Come on, everyone. Come on, Aradhya, Pari, Shrestha. Yes, Ira, you can. Okay, Vihana. Come on, everyone. Come on, Anika. Okay, Shrestha, Vihana. Now me, come on. Come on, Mahek. Come on, Urvi. Oh, yes, correct, Devna. At last, erase the lines which are visible. Come on, Ayansh, Advita. Doing it, everyone. Come on. Yes. Erase your pencil lines. Yes, Siri, Shanvi. Yes. Okay, Devna. Keep doing. Let me know once done. Come on, Akshat, done. Yes, very good, Akshat. Perfect. Correct, Anika, Adrija. So everyone, first we will complete oil pastel part and then watercolor. Okay. Once you are completed, erase your lines and keep your oil pastel and a brush ready. Yes, good, Anushka. Correct. Yes, clear. Good. Done, Sanvi. Yes, Myra. Very good. Now me good. Perfect. Yes, Zara, you can use them. Yes, very good, Sorish. Yes, so everyone is done now. So we can start with the coloring. Come on. Oil pastels. So everyone, the top color, we'll start with the orange. Okay, it's a saffron color on top band of our flag. So take your orange color, everyone. So everyone, we are not going to use just one color here. We are going to use 3 shades because we are showing light, medium, and dark effect. Okay, so we need orange, vermilion hue, and deep yellow color. Okay, 3 colors, everyone. If you don't have vermilion, you can take just 2: deep yellow, orange, and vermilion. Yes, it's a deep yellow, everyone. Yes, Shanvi, continue with the tracing. Yes, correct, Zara. Yes, Neeraja, correct. Yes, Kaushal, perfect. Ready with the three colors, everyone? Okay, now observe here. Myra, it's deep yellow color. See here, everyone. I'm taking vermilion hue. Okay, it's a dark orange. I'm starting from top. We have to fill small part with this. Observe here. Medium pressure, everyone. Using the sides of the color. Yeah, okay, Kaushal, you can skip that shade if you don't have deep yellow. Just use two shades, no problem. Okay, see everyone, border first for this part. Now I'm starting the filling part. Yes, Anvi. So here everyone, we are not using any cloth or tissue for blending. We are doing just normal coloring. So check that you don't leave any white space or a white patch. Okay. Yes. Shanvi, vermilion hue I'm using right now. Okay, it's a dark orange. I hope everyone is just observing. Once I'm done, you can start everyone. Okay, I'm using vermilion hue first. I'm filling top part with this. See here, half part, I'm done. Check the white space on this part. Okay, so everyone, you will start with this color first. Come on, take your vermilion hue or a dark orange and start with this part and show me once completed. Yes, Akshat, you can go a little bit more down with light pressure. Yes, Dania, go a little bit more down. Yes, Devna. Then we go a little bit more down. Yes, Vihana, don't add reference line, otherwise it will be visible. Yes, Sorish, correct. You can go a little bit more down, Sorish, on this part. Yes, Anushka, correct. Zara, correct. Advita, correct. Everyone, don't add reference line, okay? Otherwise it will be visible. We don't want that. Normal coloring. Kaushal, correct. Yes. Okay, Shlok. Then we will be correct. Okay, everyone, that is correct. Okay, Akshat, now it's perfect. Now I'm taking normal orange color. Okay, now see everyone, you have to overlap the colors little bit. See, I'm starting from vermilion color only because I want them to be mixed. I don't want partition line between them. So I'm overlapping the colors. See, overlap them. It will get mixed little bit. And then start filling. Don't forget, we have to use deep yellow also at last, small part. Come on, Siona. Very small part leave for yellow. Okay. Yes. Come on, keep doing, everyone. Check white space. Yes, Shanvi. It's okay if you have used one color, complete like that. Yes, Adrija. Akshat, go a little bit more down. Adrija, correct. Adrija, go a little bit on the thumb part with orange. Correct. Vihana, Vihana, check that your strokes are not going out. Lakshita, more big part. Yes, Devna, correct. Yes, Adrija, now it's correct. Go on the thumb part also, everyone, with orange. Akshat, check this part. Yes, Sanvi, Danya, Tanvi, correct. Yes. Good, Siri. Perfect. Yes, Advita, good. Shanvi, start with me. Now, everyone, last color, medium, deep yellow color. Check that there are no other color particles on it. Okay, before using, check that. Now, start from orange color. Okay, see, overlap the color, overlap, and then fill white space. Don't go outside the border, everyone. Small, small strokes while coloring. Yes, it's deep yellow color. Okay. With this, we will get light effect. Overlap the orange. Let it get mixed. No need to use any cloth or a tissue, everyone. Okay. Yes. Come on. Just check all the white spaces and you can use color on it. Okay. It will become smooth. Good, Dania. Myra, good. Good, Devna. Come on. Adrija, correct. Nice. Tanvi. Come on, everyone. Complete and show. Yes, Devna. Akshat, correct. Yes, don't use your hand on it, Vihana. Zain, very good. Everyone, don't use your hand on it. Okay, to blend. Good, Arav. Neeraja, perfect. Shrestha, good. Kaushal, good. Yes, Shanvi. Sorish, perfect. Good work, everyone. Well done. Got the effect, everyone? Any doubt? Can we start with the next color? Good, Siri. Great. Now see, everyone. Next step. We will start with the Ashok Chakra. Take ultramarine blue. Good, Anika. Yes, take everyone ultramarine blue. If you don't have ultramarine blue, take Antwerp blue or a Prussian blue color. Okay. Yes. Now what you have to do? We have to not fill this part. We have to just go on the lines. Okay. See, we have that black line. Just use color on it. Like this. Okay. Just go on your black lines. We want white space between them. Okay. Just go on the lines, everyone. Yes, Urvi. Shanvi, you can use deep blue. Yes, come on. Just go on the lines, don't fill it. I have taken ultramarine blue. If you have a navy blue, you can use that. Yes, come on, continue. You have to go on the circle part also. Okay, lines as well as circle. Yes, Shanvi, use more. Go on all lines, start to end. Okay, now the circle. Inside part of the circle, okay? Yes, Kaushal, correct. Yes, you can use Prussian blue. Correct, Siri. Yes, Anushka, show. Yes, correct. Outer circle. Anushka. Correct, Shanvi. Yes, Lakshita, everyone, don't forget this part. Circle also you have to do. Yes, Zain, you can. Come on, everyone. Good, Adrija, Zara. Perfect. Correct, Anushka. Now it's perfect. Come on, can we start with the green part now? Yes. Good, Lakshita. Nice, Anvi. Devna, correct. Okay, come on. Get ready now. Next set of colors. Take out Prussian green. Yes, Ida, correct. Prussian green, deep green, and emerald green. Three colors. We'll be using same like we did orange part. Okay, if you don't have any colors from this, you can skip that color. If you don't have Prussian green, just use deep green and emerald green. Okay. Yes, correct. Very good. Now, first we are going to start with Prussian green. Okay, like we did vermilion hue, in the same way, Prussian green we have to use for the dark part. Observe it here, everyone. Dark part will be down. Okay, make border first. You can do this part with me now. Same step you have to follow. Come on, dark color, Prussian green. Prussian green is a little bit bluish. Take the color, everyone. Come on. Yes. Yes, Urvi. Mahir, come on. Tanvi, start filling small part with it. Urvi, it's Prussian green. Come on. Start filling. Check the white spaces, everyone. Once you are done with this color, show me the part, okay? Yes, you can, Arya. Uh, yes, Shlok. Yes, Shrishta, Danya, Arav, correct? Everyone, don't use your dark color for the entire border, okay? Yes, Anika. Yes, use deep green. Akshat, correct? Yes, perfect. We have used Prussian green. Now you have to take deep green color or a dark green, okay? And start with the next color. Little bit overlap first. Let them get mixed, just like we used orange. Come on. Medium pressure. Kaushal, use normal dark green color. Okay. Go on thumb part also with this shade. Very less space we want for the emerald green or a light green. Yes. Yes, Shanvi, check this part. White space here. Don't fill it completely, okay? Then Laksha. Come on, Arav, Anika, Aradhya, Urvi, Emra. First, we have used Prussian green, then deep green, and then we will use emerald green. Yes, very good, Anushka. Perfect. Now, everyone, I'm using emerald green. You can take light green if you don't have the shade. Okay. Fill it completely, all the white space which is available. Overlap the color. You can go all over the part wherever you feel that there is white space. It will become even. Check the corners. Done, Shlok. Yes. Okay, Shlok. Okay, come on everyone, complete it like this. Remove all the particles. Very good, Tanvi, Dania. Urvi, emerald green or light green you can take. Correct, Sanvi. Good, Neeraja. Aradhya. Good, Sanvi. Everyone, our oil pastel part is completed. Check there are no color particles. Remove it with the help of brush. Make your drawing clear so we can start using watercolor for background. Good, Adrisha. Sanvi. Come on. Great, Myra. Devna, correct? Okay, come on. Yes, Akshar, it's nice. Vihana, Kaushal, Siri, Advita, good. Yes. Take your cotton also, everyone. Can we use watercolors? Yes, come on, get ready. Now we will start with the orange color from top. Okay, take cotton. Good, Advita. Come on. Now everyone divide your cotton in two parts. We want two cotton balls. Okay. Medium size. Okay. Two cotton balls. One we will use for orange, other one for green. White part, we are going to keep it blank as it is in the middle. Yes, correct. Now, by the time you can add some water in your orange and green color. Dark green color, everyone. Yes, you can use acrylic color also, no problem. But add more water, less color if you are using bottle colors. Okay. Yes. Yes, Adrija. Brush any you can take. I have taken number 6. Okay, Shanvi. Now everyone take first cotton ball. Now you have to dip this cotton in water. Completely make it wet. Come on. Remove all the excess water from it. Squeeze it. If you want, you can place newspaper here. Okay. Done. Wet cotton now. Now it's time to load orange color in it. Take your brush. I have taken number 6. Mix your orange color a little bit. And load it on your cotton. Nicely, everyone. Come on. At least 3 to 4 times. Load the color. I I've placed newspaper because we have used oil pastel. It might get smudged. That's why I've placed newspaper under my hand. Okay, ready with the color, everyone? Loaded it 3 to 4 times with orange. Now see, we have to use slanting lines here while filling, like this. Instead of using horizontal lines, use slanting lines like this. Up to down. Okay. Don't worry if you go on oil pastel part, it will not get mixed. Even we have used marker, permanent marker, so it will not get mixed. See everyone, I'm using lines, slanting lines. It will give us nice effect. Load color if required. Okay. Come on. Load color if required. You have to go little down from the hand, okay? See, like this. Don't go under the Ashok Chakra, everyone. See, don't go below this line. Come on. Yes, Rihanna, don't leave gap between them. Just use slanting lines while using cotton. Okay. Yes. That's it. No problem if it's dark and light. Not to worry. Just see that no white space is visible. Okay. Yes, Rihanna, fill the white space. Yes, very good, Myra. Correct. Come on. Show me once completed. Okay, Sarish, Anushka. Come on, Anika, Aradhya. Yes, good. Got it, Sanvi, Adricha. Yes, correct. Good, Adricha. Everyone, no problem if the line is uneven. Okay. Yes, good. Good, Advita. Correct. Now, everyone, in the same way, we have to use green color from down. Okay. Come on. Let's take the next cotton ball. If you want, you can rotate your book. Okay. Dip your cotton in water. Make it completely wet. Come on. Okay. Now I'm going to load dark green color on it. 3 to 4 times. First, mix it nicely. Everyone, don't use same cotton, okay? Take the fresh one. Come on, Lakshya. Okay. Take it in your other hand. Now same step we have to follow. Little slanting lines. Okay. Now the lines will go from down to up. Okay. See everyone. Take this line as a reference. Don't go above it. See. Let them get overlapped. Down to up. Slightly apply pressure to your cotton so color will come out dark. Okay. If it has become watery, use it on a tissue paper to remove excess water and load with color. Sanvi, we have to just use cotton and use lines. We are not doing shading. Just use cotton ball in a slanting lines. Automatically you will get light and dark effect. Okay. Come on, everyone. Check small gaps. Corners. If you feel that it's difficult to use cotton on small part, use your brush. Yes, Adrija, correct. Allow it to dry. Very good, Akshat. Nice. Akshat, very less space for white. No problem. Everyone, check that the middle part should be white. Okay. Yes, Kaushal, correct. Shanvi, start using watercolor. Correct, CD. Vihana, correct. Yes, perfect. Good, Sorish. Sorish, little bit about the thumb part. Add some color. Yes, Tanvi, Neeraja, perfect. Allow it to dry, everyone. Good, Lakshita. Just keep checking your orange part, whether it is dry or not. Okay. We are going to add some flowers on it using same color. Good, Anushka. Yes, Anushka. Yes, Kaushal. Just check your white spaces on green part. Correct, Devna. Nice. Now everyone see on the orange color part and green color part, we'll be adding orange and green flowers. Okay, this part we are going to do directly with the brush. You can take your number 4 brush for this part. First you have to observe and then you can start. Check your orange part. Mine is dried. Check your work. By that time, you can observe. Okay. See here. I'm rotating my book so that I can keep my hand on it. Green part is still wet. Allow it to dry. Yes, just observe everyone and then you can start. I'm taking smaller number brush. Okay, you can take number 4. Wet your brush. Now for the flowers, orange color we have to use. If you feel that your normal orange color, this orange color is not visible on this, you can take your dark orange or a vermilion hue. Okay, we will try both colors. First, I'm trying normal orange. Let's see if it's visible. Because in that painting, I've used acrylic color. So it's visible. See here, everyone. 5 petals here to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think it's visible clearly. So we can use normal orange. Just use thick color, everyone. Less water. Yes, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 petals. Just go around the orange part, everyone. Yes, Anika. Yes, Anika, you can start with the step. Come on, Viana, Siri, Paris. Come on, Arya. Medium size, okay? Not too big, not too small. Come on, Laksha, Sanvi. Take good amount of color. Come on, Siona, Kaushal. Come on, Ayansh. Everyone getting the shape? Just orange part, okay? Don't go over white. Okay? Yes, continue. Show me once done. Come on, everyone. You're almost completed. Yes, correct, Lakshita. Good. Yes, Vihana. Now, everyone, same, we have to follow on green part also, but first check that it's dried or not and then start. Okay. You can do it once it is completely dry. I'm showing here. You can just observe. Same flowers we have to add with dark green also. It should be clearly visible. Come on. You're doing great. Uh, okay, Arya, you can try using red color. Show your work. Okay, good, Anushka. Arya, you can use red color, normal red, no problem. Everyone, if your orange color is too dark, you can take red color. For green area, try using dark green, add little black or a blue color in it. Okay, dark blue, add it, no problem. Instead of black, blue will be perfect. Okay, like this you have to do everyone with orange and green. Yes, Biana. Okay, Lakshita, Mahit, Ayansh, Siona. Got it? Kariz, Urvi, Laksha. Good, Lakshita. Sorish. Adrija, just in your green color, add little blue. Yes, Paris, great. Well done. Now, everyone, one last step you have to do. For this, you can use your brush or a cotton bud. Okay. See, I'm taking black color. You can take any dark color. Dipping my cotton bud in water first. Mixing black. Okay. Now you have to use black color. See, between the flower, exactly in the center. Center circle for flowers, everyone. You can do this part at last. You can take blue or a black, any dark color, but it should be visible. You can also use your permanent marker for making circle. With cotton bud, you will get perfect circle. Hold your cotton bud straight. Okay, straight. Don't hold it slanting. Yes, come on. Complete it. Yes, very good, Tanvi. Good, Lakshita. Come on, everyone, complete it. Dots you can add later also. Add flowers. Which part you are doing, everyone? Just show me. Yes, Devna. Yes, Arav. Good. Now be good. Everyone, we will click a nice group picture, everyone, together. So everyone hold your book in your hand, okay? That it will be incomplete, no problem. But everyone hold your work in your hand. Okay? Come on. Come on, Ira, Zara, Siona, Ayan joined late. Sanvi, Adrija, Yes, everyone hold. Come on. Kia, Akshat. Yes, hold it, everyone. Come on. Paris, hold your work. Laksha, Urvi. Yes, hold it, everyone. Zara, Zayan. Yes, very nice. Give me a smile also, everyone. Yes, that's perfect. Okay, good job, everyone. Perfect picture. Good, Sanvi. Yes, Shlok. Good. Okay, everyone. So in this way, it's completed. Good, Vihana, Anushka. Good. Nice, Paris. Yes, Ayan, it will be shared. Okay. So everyone, I hope you liked it. Yes, very nice. Good, Kaushal. Yes, Sanvi, sure. Yes, Devna. So everyone, today our batch ends here, but new batch is going to start very soon, but it will start next month. Okay, because I'm having exam next week, so I'm taking 2 weeks gap. From first, new batch will start. Okay, so I will update the schedule by 30 August. It will be shared in the group, everyone. So stay in the group or else just message me for the details so I can share you personally also. Okay. And what you have to do, everyone, you have to make a collage of all your 8 artworks and you have to share that personally to me. Okay. Make a collage of all the 8 artworks, write your name and place and share it to me. Okay. It will be shared on the class page with your name. Yes, Anvi. Uh, yes, Arya, you can share from both batches. Okay. Yes, Arya. No, Arya, for this only. Okay. Everybody is completed. Yes, Devna. It's exam time now. Anyone left to show their work? Yes, Kaushal, if you want, you can write. I'm not writing date for this. Good shlok, Dania. Yes, we'll be waiting for your amazing work, everyone. I hope you enjoyed all the 8 artworks that we have learned in this batch. Very nice to see your work. Yes. Okay, everyone. So let's end the class for today. See you all soon. Bye. Take care, everyone. Keep smiling. Happy Independence Day in advance. Bye. Take care.